Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure your online banking with Wells Fargo, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring your online banking with Wells Fargo, open a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Type in the URL for Wells Fargo's official website. Once the page loads, locate the Sign On button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the Sign On button. If you already have an existing account, enter your username and password in the provided fields. If you don't have an account yet, look for the Enroll Now option below the Sign In fields. Click on Enroll Now to start the registration process. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information, including your social security number, account number, and email address. Create a unique username and password that you will use to access your account. Make sure your password meets all security requirements. After filling in your information, review the terms and conditions. If you agree, check the box indicating your acceptance. Click on the Submit button to proceed. Once submitted, you will receive a confirmation email. Check your email for a verification link from Wells Fargo. Click on the verification link to activate your online banking account. Return to the Wells Fargo homepage. Now, enter your newly created username and password in the Sign On fields again. Click the Sign On button to log into your account. Once logged in, you can set up additional features. Consider enrolling in text or email alerts for account activity. Explore the settings to customize your preferences for transaction notifications. If you want to link additional accounts, navigate to the Account Management section. Follow the on-screen instructions to add external accounts if desired. It's also a good idea to set up security questions for added protection. And finally, make sure to log out once you've completed your tasks to ensure your account's security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.